everyone. Today I'm here to talk about pain and inflammation. We have an amazing workshop Wednesday evening. It is sold out, so we will do a second class on that, but we are sold out Wednesday night. I will quickly go over it if you have pain and inflammation, so you can kind of get started on it now. I will always come back to you have to have really great nutrition in your body, plant-based nutrition, getting your vitamins and minerals, and then you also want to get the omegas. When you have omegas in the body, it takes down the inflammation around the brain, around the joints, and throughout the body. So when you have pain and inflammation, it's super critical that we start supporting the body systems that way. Now, for internal, you're going to want to take a natural pain reliever. Natural pain reliever would be Copaiba. So you can either take the drops or you can take it in a capsule, very handy. So in your medicine cabinet, instead of reaching for something else, you can simply just reach for your simple solution, Copaiba. Then you're also gonna take the frankincense. Frankincense brings down any pain in the body, calms the central nervous system down, and repairs cells that need to be repaired. And then your turmeric, I'm gonna come back to this one a lot. This reduces inflammation in the body. So again, if you have pain and inflammation, you're gonna go with turmeric. 5, 5, and 5 of the drops. Put it in a capsule, a little bit of water under the tongue, easy. Now, if you're external pain, when you're looking for relief from the outside, you're gonna use the deep blue. So this has blue tansy in it, chamomile, you've got peppermint, eucalyptus. These are all very cooling oils that will bring down pain from the outside. And then if you have very severe pain and you need more support, you can take wintergreen. Wintergreen is a natural pain reliever, as is the deep blue cream. So you would layer this on top of the deep blue cream. And then we have lemongrass. So I just personally, just with like all the yoga I do in my joints, from doing chaturangas and things like that, I love the deep blue and the lemongrass. So that's what works for me. So again, you don't need to do both. You just pick what works better for your body. And we can always give you samples when we sit down with you to create your custom recipe. So you are going to do the vitamins, your omegas to bring down the inflammation. You want to have all your vitamins and minerals, your fruits and veggies every day to make sure that your body's getting what it needs to perform its bodily functions. And then you're going to take the deep blue supplement, which is a supplement that brings down the inflammation in the body. So that's what you're going to take. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll have you having another workshop, so I will post that. But just for anyone that can't make it or didn't get a chance to sign up, that is the protocol you're going to use. So message me below with any questions. I hope you have a super amazing day. And anyone that wants to sit down, we can also do a Symphony of the Cells on you, which we've got great testimonials about concussions and people that have gotten into accidents or have things going on in their body where they really need to bring down pain and inflammation. So we will do a demonstration on that as well at the workshop. Have an amazing week, everybody. Namaste.